My name is Lawrence Bengo. I'm 23 years old from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. I love you. I love playing basketball during my spare time and going to the gym in the afternoon. And I also love singing and dancing, but I don't have any talents.
What's your height, Lawrence?
6 flat.
6 foot?
Yeah.
Ang tagal mo naman. So, do you model?
Yeah. Freelance model.
Yeah. And then, this is your first time joining a national pageant?
No, this is my second time joining.
So, yung first time, ano yung pageant?
That's Man of the Globe Philippines, and I win the Miss 13 Globe Philippines.
What year ito? What year?
2018.
2018. So,
Yeah.
talagang 5 years pa pala.
Yeah.
So, bakit ka natagalang sumali ulit?
I think so many factors like the pandemic and of course the financial. You need to be financially stable right now, and I think that's it.
Do you go to school?
No, I'm graduate. Already graduate.
Anong
Food tech.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bakit ka sumali sa Mr. Grand Philippines?
Of course, once again, I want to represent the Philippines and I want to win the crown.
So parang ano yung meron sa pageant na talagang gusto mong bumalik? Di ba sabi mo parang gusto mong ma-represent yung Philippines. So parang ano yung feeling na gano'n kapag meron kang Philippines sa stage?
It's an honor, syempre, because you represent the country again and once again, may pagkakataon ka magbigay ng karangalan sa bansa natin.
So, can you share about parang ano yung hindi mo malilimutan experience in joining pageant? Ano yung pinaka-memorable experience?
I think the unforgettable moments in joining pageant is that for the first time I go to the gym. Yeah. It's the first time I go to the gym. And the discipline that the pageant gave to me is very valuable for me.
Are you full Filipino or do you have foreign blood?
My grandfather is Spanish.
Spanish.
Yeah.
That's why you have like a mestizo.
Thank you.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I have a girlfriend.
For how long na?
For 4 years.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
So, parang ano yung sabi sa'yo? Parang sali ka ulit sa pageant.
Of course, she's happy and very supportive too.
How about your parents?
Yeah, my parents too. Yeah, they are very supportive to me because they want me to excel in whatever I do. Yes, my mother is a housewife, but my father is a driver.
So talagang simpleng buhay.
Yeah. We live in a very simple life.
So parang ano yung i-offer mo dito sa pageant na mas tingin mo na mananalo ka?
Of course, resiliency that I have and discipline. Because I have a 4 a.m. discipline work. Before 4 a.m. start, I go to the jogging. That's it.
So may balak ka bang pasukan ng showbiz?
There's an opportunity. Yeah.
Ano gusto mo genre?
Action.
Action, bakit?
Yeah.
Bakit?
My idol was Hollywood actor like Tom Cruise.
Sa Philippines, sino gusto mo?
Cardo Dalisay.
Okay. So, meron ka bang mensahe sa mga fans mo?
Yun lang, support me all throughout this pageant and please pray for me to win this another title. Thank you.